check out our latest RV and camping related gear at our Amazon storefront. Link in video description.
Today, Melody and I are at Spruce Knob, the highest point in West Virginia at 4,863 feet. Here at Spruce Knob, they have the Whispering Spruce Trail. It's a half-mile trail that circles the observation tower. Let's go check it out. You'll run into some interesting geology on this short half-mile trail. The trees are so lush and you could just smell the pine. It's beautiful. And they even have park benches along the way. Take in the landscape. And we're not even to the observation tower yet. You sure get a lot of beauty crammed into this half-mile loop trail. I wish I could bottle the smell of this pine for you. It is intoxicating. And it looks like the observation tower is dead ahead. And it looks like Melody found the observation tower. Two flights of stairs will yield you a view like this. Pine cones on the tree right in front. Here's my little honey. Hi, Melody. We've been up here. It is a little chilly. We're filming this in June 2022. And it's probably in the upper 60s up here. The scenery looks a little bit different in the fall. That's when we usually come up the Spruce Knob. I'll look back through my photo archives. If I have some photos taken in the fall, I'll put them up about right now. Wow, this is pretty cool. Oh, wow. Now, isn't that the shot? Melody's exploring on the other side of this little clump of trees here. Now that's beautiful. Folks, you have to do the Whispering Spruce Trail if you come to Spruce Knob, West Virginia. This is truly breathtaking. For a short trail, it really does pack a punch. And this trail makes a loop around the highest point in West Virginia. Wow. Wow. That's all I gotta say. Wow. After you reach this point in the trail, there's a sign pointing you back to the parking area. And it's also a nice trail going out here, but this is the main overlook after you clear that observation tower. And what an overlook it is. Spruce Knob, West Virginia. Now that we are retired, Melody and I travel all over the United States. So in the summer, we try to spend some time back in our home state of West Virginia, and I have to tell you, Spruce Knob is one of my favorite spots in West Virginia. And you'll get a different kind of experience on your way back to the parking area. If you like flowering plants, you're just gonna love this trail. And they even have picnic tables with grills squirreled back in the woods.
If you like this video on Spruce Knob, be sure to check out our video on Dolly Sides, West Virginia.
From Spruce Knob, West Virginia, I think I'm going to leave it here. If you like these videos, like and subscribe, and I'll see you down the road.